Hello guys, so I'm using the Earth Angel eyeshadow from this palette that she's got Solstice from ColourPop, and I am adding that all over the eyelid and I'm making sure to blend it upwards. Okay guys, so I'm going to be going in with Chromosphere, which is this pretty color here, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer and inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to be making sure to blend that really good. And then for the middle, I'm going to be using Estrella, which is a nice pink shimmer eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to be blending all around. So for my brow bone, I'm going to be using this light pink, which is called Big Bang. So once I'm done with my liner, I'm going to be creating a glitter liner on top, and I'm going to be using this Italia gel liner and then topping it with some JCat silver glitter. And I'm just going to be taking my time because I do want to make sure to add the glitter where I want it. And then I'm going to be adding some lashes. So these eyelashes are not dramatic, but they're pretty cute for this look. So I'm going to be going in with that highlight on the inner tear duct for that pop. So once I'm done with my foundation and contouring and all that, I'm just going to be adding some highlight to the bridge of my nose and then going with this pink blush, which is very, very pretty, using this pinky nude lip liner. And once I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to be going in with this lip stain gloss from The Balm. Okay guys, so this is a very simple, pretty look for Valentine's Day, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys on the next one.